The secret sounds of English. Voiced and voiceless consonants. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of English phonetics. Our focus will be the voiced and voiceless consonants. It's crucial to understand these sounds as they play a significant role in your pronunciation and can greatly impact your communication skills. So, buckle up as we explore the exciting realm of consonants in the English language. Let's first understand what consonants are. Consonants are the sounds in English language that are produced by blocking the airflow in some way with your vocal tract. They contrast with vowels, where the vocal tract is open. This section will help you get familiar with this basic concept. English consonants can be categorized into two main types: voiced and voiceless. Voiced consonants are those that engage your vocal cords, creating a kind of vibration or hum when you say them. Voiceless consonants, on the other hand, do not engage the vocal cords and produce no vibration. Try saying Z, as in zip, and S, as in sip, while touching your throat. Feel the difference? That's what we're talking about. Voiced consonants in English include B, D, G, V, Z, J, L, M, N, R, W, and all vowel sounds. To confirm that these are voiced, try pronouncing them while gently placing a hand on your throat. You should feel a vibration, indicating that your vocal cords are engaged. Voiceless consonants in English include P, T, K, F, S, H, and sh. As you pronounce these sounds, you'll notice there's no vibration in your throat. That's because these consonants are voiceless. Your vocal cords don't vibrate when you make these sounds. The difference between voiced and voiceless consonants may seem minor, but it can dramatically affect the meaning of words. For instance, consider bat and bad. The only difference is the final sound, one voiceless, the other voiced, and yet, the two words have entirely different meanings. So, it's important to get these right. There we have it. A beginner's guide to identifying voiced and voiceless consonants in English. Remember, it's all about whether you feel a vibration in your throat or not. Don't worry if you're finding it tricky at first. Like all skills, it takes time and practice. Keep experimenting with different sounds and words, and you'll soon become a master of voiced and voiceless consonants. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.